Good morning, good day. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. Remember to stay positive, think on possibilities. It's now 7:44 a.m. in the morning. Earlier, I took the dog out for a walk. I came back to my little yoga and of course, a cold shower is a must. And now I'm preparing early lunch, brunch. And it's of course beans because it's cold and I would like to have something warm and cozy, so I'm gonna work in the process. So I have 1 cup of beans, black eye beans, and I'm going to go in with thyme, oregano, pimento and garlic cloves. I just smashed them, I didn't chop them in fine bits. If you want to chop them in small bits, that's fine. You can go ahead and do that or crush them. I'm gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of paprika, cayenne, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, mustard seed, just a little bit, not exactly 1 teaspoon. And I'm going in with curcuma or turmeric. Oh, this is almost finished. I love turmeric. And as always, I add the salt last, but I'm gonna have this cooking for an hour, and then I'm gonna add the potato, carrots, and okra. So that's what's gonna go in later. So I'm gonna have this cook 6 cups of water always, because I'm not making a stew, I'm making a soup. And so yeah, that's what's going in. I'm gonna cover this. I'm gonna plug this in, and you know the drill, multigrain. Normally I have it on 1 hour and 30 minutes. Today I'm gonna have it for an hour because I'm gonna add other stuff in it and then have it cooked for 30 minutes on saute. So I'm going down to an hour, and that's that. And then I'm gonna go check some emails, and I have a friend coming by. I think we're going for breakfast, so I might share that with you as well, but I'm gonna clean up this area. I have breakfast in this beautiful place with this beautiful lady. You know her, Picky Girl travels the world. It's called Culinary Innovation Academy.
It smells delicious.
Oopsie. Yeah.
Is this fine?
Un avocado toast. No verdura, no verdura.
No, it's muy extraño. I know.
De salmón, un corazón de salmón.
Okay. The pancakes are long. Con plátanos and pancakes. Yes, it's gonna be.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I love it.
I mean, it did say, oh, and that's the plátanos. I was like,
Gracias.
¿Dónde aprendieron a hablar español? ¿Dónde aprendieron?
¿Aquí? Sí, yo vivo aquí. Nosotros vivimos aquí. Sí. Sí. Gracias.
¿Otro chocolate?
no.
Wait, I had to take out the knife and fork. We're gonna eat the sandwich with a knife and fork.
Trying to figure out.
like I don't know. Oh.
What it tastes like?
It's they prepare it in a caramel.
This was the thing. All of their rolls had fruit or
They like fruit. Tutti frutti.
like fruit a lot.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
That one.
This
Yeah, they do like fruit.
they like fruit.
Oh.
This is what was coming out. That one at the end.
¿Es una galleta?
No, tiene en medio un cono de chocolate blanco, está relleno de cremoso de yuzu, termina de manzana verde con
I like this one.
Cheesecake?
It's a cartoon character, no?
No, it's a gnome.
¿Qué es no?
It's like a garden gnome.
Okay.
They're kind of like fairies almost.
Do we have them in Mexico?
I'll say they like live in the forest and stuff. I don't know. Just say.
Oh, yes.
It's chocolate
y frambuesa.
Frambuesa.
no me gustan frutas.
No, frutos rojos. Ok.
Entonces,
They don't have anything that don't have fruit.
Es de chocolate y café. Lo que tienen encima es plátano caramelizado. Nada de fruta. Nada de fruta. Ok. Este es chocolate con avellanas y un cremoso de café bañado de chocolate.
see, so no. Okay. Gracias. Jardín.
Beautiful breakfast. Thank you for having me.
I think it's so funny. The cops who ride around with boots on a bicycle. That is like the most hilarious thing ever.
Have you ever seen them clamping vehicles?
No.
Oh yes, I've seen them clamping vehicles. And I was with someone who had parked, and I said, "You can't park here." He's like, "Don't worry about it." And then I looked at his plate. I was like, "Oh." And then the police, because we sat at the restaurant across, and the police saw him, and then they went to look at his plate and they drove off. And I was like, "Oh, I need to get one of those plates."
Yeah, I guess that is the whatchamacallit.
I was out with my friend this morning having breakfast. Now I'm back in the house, and the husband is preparing lunch dinner. He's peeling the carrots. How is it going? Gonna do, boss.
I'm gonna mix broccoli, okra, and carrots together. Oh, you want to escape?
You try to escape? Ah, no importa. Just put it in the pot, man. Nice, nice. Nice. And then we're gonna put it on 30 minutes.
¿Con esta o con...?
Yes. 30 minutes to saute, and in 30 minutes we should have our soup ready.
Excelente.
Excelente. Ooh, tell me.
Salt.
Add the salt. Add the salt.
More salt.
Much more. I know. I always add the salt at the end. Mix it. 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 How is it? Do you like it? It's thick and good, eh?
Yes. She doesn't.
It is very funny. Soup, soup, pressure, pressure, soup, soup. On a sunny day, soup, soup. Okay, I am having donuts and tea and donut, pistachio, mint and chocolate tea, mint and chocolate and pistachio. Donut and tea, is that a thing? Is that a thing? Ooh, minty. After this, I am going to rest my head. Beautiful evening, right? Can you see the moon? Ooh, the moon, look at the moon. So we had a late lunch, tea and donut, took a siesta, and now we are out for an evening walk. Plus, I'm gonna do a little thingy-majiggy. Today was absolutely a beautiful day. I had breakfast with my favorite lady in the city, and then we chat and I reminisce on her, our time, and the other half is missing and I can't wait to see her. But you'll see us soon in the future, all three reunited, and it will feel so good. But yeah, today was a beautiful day and I'm here for my evening walk. Listen, I've been walking all day. I walked this morning with the dog, short walk, and then we went walking for breakfast, a longer walk back home. And then, yeah, beautiful, relaxing day. I wish more women in the city would be like picky girl, the picky eater. Well, not being a picky eater, but you know, cool. And someone who has your back. Yeah. But overall, that was the highlight of my day. Just chatting, catching up with her. Of course, the husband is always a highlight. But yeah, I'm not gonna rant or what do you call it? Ramble anymore. I want to say thank you for watching thus far. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and see you in the next video. Bye.